So this is the first problem in the packet work from target 10. It gives me that ray SA bisects angle CSM and that angle CSA and MSP. Those are congruent angles. So my first step, I always like to write down my givens. I'm going to bullet point them because there's more than one. So I'm going to say that SA, ray SA, bisects angle CSM. And then I also know that angle CSA is congruent to angle MSP. And that reason there is just going to be given. So number 2, my step 2, I'm going to say that because I knew that ray SA is an angle bisector, it bisects that angle, I know that CSA and ASM have to be the same. It cuts that angle right in half. So I have to know that angle CSA is congruent to angle ASM. And that just comes from the definition of an angle bisector. And then my third step, actually I'm going to go back. I knew that this came from this part of my given. Step 2 came from my first given. I know that in my step 3, I'm going to use my transitive property, and if I know that CSA is congruent to both MSP and ASM, I know that MSP and ASM have to be the same angle. So MSP has to be congruent to angle ASM. That's just my transitive property. And that came from this part of my given and my step 2. And I'm done.